So guess what today is? Yes, it is clearly wash day. It's Retwist day, and it is my 3-year, 10-month Lociversary. So you know what that means. I owe you a lock update. Let's get to it. Atreyu. Atreyu. So before we get to the good stuff, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to the Atreyu channel. This channel is all about locks, from lock care to lock repair. And I am Atreyu, and I'm someone who promotes loving unconditionally and spreading positivity. So as I said before, it is time for a lock update. This is a lock update video, and in lock update videos, I basically show you my locks, show you what they're looking like. I let you know about the routine, maybe any changes that have occurred, and that's what I plan on doing for you today. I'm excited because I'm going to do a mini review on the rejuvenating scalp massager that I purchased recently. And I also got a question from Cynthia Faison. Basically, she asked if I could suggest some good shampoos for locks for an inexpensive price. So in terms of the shampoos that I use, as I said in the previous video and a few videos back, I use Design Essential products. They're not the cheapest, but if you buy them in bulk, you get a good deal. And the thing about it is a little bit goes a long way. I just made a video yesterday about how I dilute my shampoos. So not only does a little bit go a long way, but because I dilute them, they last a very long time. I just recently finished these actual bottles, and I got them like towards the end of 2014. So yeah. And then the other shampoo that I use, Cynthia, is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soup Peppermint kind. I do want to try other kinds, but I've also had this since 2014. A little bit goes a long way, and I also dilute it. So I haven't had the opportunity to get other ones because I like to use what I got before I buy more. Just kind of frugal like that. So those are the shampoos that I like to use. Now, moving on to the Scalp Massager by Vanity Planet. It takes one AA battery, and it was wonderful. I put the battery in. It is waterproof, and if you click this button, you hear that? It's so cool. It feels so amazing on your scalp. I did get a comment from someone who said that they had a bad experience with it. I guess it left their scalp raw, and I think there might have been sores even. But I definitely didn't have that experience with these bristles, if they can be called that. They're very soft. And something that I noticed is that the vibration is basically doing all of the work. So you don't need to like press down hard and do like that, you know? You just turn it on and then gently rub it against your scalp. And let the vibrations emanating from it do the job. So what I did this time is, let me show you my locks. They're kind of dry to the point now where I'm ready to retwist them. I just don't like to have them sopping wet. When it's time to retwist it, it's just annoying. So yeah, so first I wet my locks in my scalp, and then I went in with this and used it to break up any dandruff or dead skin cells that were resting. Dead skin cells, I always mix that up. Or any dead skin cells that, you know, were just resting on my scalp. And then I did my first application of the cleansing shampoo and used this to get it all throughout there and to break up more dirt. And then I used the conditioning shampoo, applied that, went back in with this, and went all through again. And then I rinsed it out very, very thoroughly for probably like 25 minutes. I was rinsing my locks because they're getting longer, and that's just more opportunity for buildup to get, you know, caught in your locks. So it was wonderful though. Like I said, it's very gentle. These bristles are very soft. It's very therapeutic. Now that I've used this and I know exactly for myself what it feels like, I'm definitely going to use it when I do hot oil treatments. So I'm going to apply the hot oil and then just kind of rest it on my scalp in different places. and let it vibrate the oil into my scalp basically. So yes, if you want one of these, I do have a shop now. It's down in the description box below. And actually, if you go to that shop, you'll see all the products that I use. So the Design Essentials products, the Pure Castile soap, this among other things, okay? Alright, so now I want to get to this retwist. I'm not going to show you guys the retwist because I've shown you guys my retwist before. I will link a video up there. But the next time you see me, my hair will be dry, or at least drier, and fully retwisted. So I'll see you in the next clip. So I'm back. Before I forget, I'm still getting used to this whole like, subscribe, share, request thing. If you like this video so far, please hit that like button. And if you are enjoying this content, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you can be notified when I upload next. And if you know of anyone that would benefit from seeing my content, please share this video. Alright, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get to this retwist and Lociversary. So it's my 3x10, and yeah, I just got finished retwisting and drying my hair. My hair is still slightly damp at the tips. You know, the water runs down because of gravity, so still a little bit damp at the tips, but I wanted to get on now because I have a busy day ahead. So I already updated you on what products I use, like shampoo. I didn't condition this time, I just used the cleansing and the conditioning shampoo by Design Essentials. I talked about the Vanity Planet Rejuvenating Massager, Scalp Massager. Remember guys, if you are interested in getting that, which I got for pretty cheap, then don't forget to check out my shop, and the information is in the description box. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, 360. So let me give you that 360. Alright. Oh, it's so hot today. So yeah, I've been in the bathroom this morning, obviously retwisting my hair. It's just kind of humid. And it's a little bit humid today anyway, so. Alrighty. So, these are my locks at 3 years and 10 months. I have 2 more months to go before I hit my 4-year mark, and I decide whether or not I'm going to continue with my quest or whether I'm going to do something else with my hair. So I'm just trying to savor the remaining couple of months, and I'll figure it out once I get to that bridge. We'll cross when we get there. One last thing that I want to say is I hope that my channel, and just me with all the videos that I have posted, I hope that it shows you that you can maintain your own hair, and you can be a guy who maintains his own hair. It's not this insurmountable task. It's daunting, albeit, but not insurmountable. It's not impossible, and you can save a lot of money. So hopefully you are enjoying my videos, and hopefully they are encouraging you to just savor every moment of your lock journey. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions are hard to not really love at all. Atreyu is out.